I hope you guys are doing well. I welcome you all on the dream world of all nature, i.e., Embrace Nature. Guys, I am here to disclose Embrace Nature's reviews that will assist you in deciding about how to gain the facilities they are providing. So stay connected with us, do like and subscribe our channel. Guys, there is one question that is there in your head for sure. That is, are you excited to have organic fruits and vegetables at your place? If you say yes, then do explore Embrace Nature. According to the latest survey, the online venture has set up to grant gardening services at your place via Tech Gardening app. So guys, it says that meet the nature halfway. It is sustainable, that it provides you sustainable agriculture with a portable answer for your question via economically, socially. It is accessibility. It has the Tech Gardening app allows the urban gardeners all around the world to monitor their own crops from the help of smartphone. With the help of smartphone, easily, comfortably you can do gardening. Third, it has a high quality performance. Their mission is to facilitate organic vegetables and fruits and herbs growth for those who have difficulties in finding first quality food near their place. So guys, as per the report, in today's 21st century, we are more into adulterated fruits and vegetables, isn't it? As per the Embrace Nature, they will contact you halfway, connect you with nature by Tech Gardening. So guys, before moving ahead, I would love to tell you that do subscribe and like our channel, as it will motivate us to give you better information about Tech Gardening. So guys, yes, as per the latest updates, Tech Gardening app by Embrace Nature is crafted to welcome urban gardeners who does not have time to do gardening due to their busy schedule. They say, who wouldn't love growing their own vegetables at home, even in urban areas like Dublin? Yes, this is true. We all love to have more natural vegetable and fruits, as it works as a cleansifier. It will assist in providing good health to us. It will help us to stay away from diseases because we are having something natural. So in the busy schedules, if you wanted to have gardening at your place, you can easily do with the Smart Gardening app. So guys, however, nowadays the automation rules the world. Therefore, the solution to urban smart gardening is just around the corner. You just have to follow the site, or you just have to find out the Embrace Nature work. Even you can check out their Facebook page. All the information is available on their page. Information by their customers are also available. So now Embrace Nature say why you have to choose them, because they found to be reliable. The demand for healthier alternatives has increased in the last few years, and this is true. People are educated and people wants to have more and more natural things to have. So the Tech Gardening is portable and probable solution. The mission of the site is to facilitate organic vegetable, fruits and herbs growth for those who have difficulties in finding first quality food. Some of their customer photos are available. You can check it out on the website. As you can see, just scroll down and check it down. It is available on Facebook, Twitter, G+. You can check it out their pages and find more information how they work. So guys, yes, Tech Gardening is one of the latest trend which is going on in the online world. Gardening is very easy, and if you have a love for gardening, that too, if you wanted to have fruits and vegetables, that too nature available at your place, then you can check it out how they will help you through the smartphone app. You do not have to go anywhere, or they will not going to come at your place. Through smartphone app, you guys can connect, and yes, you can easily avail services at your place. For further information, you can check it out their social media pages. They're available. So guys, yes, if you love the information, do hit the like button, do comment in the comment section, and for more latest news like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day ahead and keep subscribing our channel, and we will give you better and more reliable information. Thank you so much.